This video has been prepared according to YouTube's request to verify the access and new features of the MasterTube panel. You can use panel.master.tube link to log in or create an account in the MasterTube dashboard. On the account creation page, the privacy policy information is displayed to the user. To register, the user must confirm the privacy policy rules. Users who have already registered can log in to the MasterTube dashboard by clicking the Login button. After login into the MasterTube dashboard, general information is displayed to the user. This information is all about the sum of the statistics of all channels connected to the user panel. Information such as views, watch time, number of new subscribers, number of lost subscribers, number of likes, number of dislikes, number of shares and number of comments. By selecting the time period and date, the user can view the desired report based on the selected time period. By using this option, a list of channels that the user has already connected to their account in the MasterTube dashboard is displayed. The user can add a new channel to their dashboard in MasterTube by clicking on the Sign In with Google button. This page shows the client ID as well as the redirect URI. By clicking on this section, user will see the MasterTube email and the URL of the MasterTube dashboard. On this page, from the list of emails displayed, the user must select the email to which the YouTube channel is linked. In the next step, the user should select the chosen channel to connect to the MasterTube dashboard. Currently, after the user selects the desired channel, the page with this message will appear: Google has not been verified this app. The reason for displaying this error is that we still do not have the necessary access from the YouTube API for new services that are considered to be taken. As seen on this page, the required permissions are displayed to the user. The first option is the YouTube Partner API to access private channel information. We need this access to receive copyright claim and strike data of users' YouTube channels. We will use this information to inform the user and display it to the user in the MasterTube dashboard. The second option is the non-monetary and monetary, which we already have access to it. The third option is Manage YouTube Video, which we need to access to allow our users to upload their videos through their account in the MasterTube dashboard. The fourth option is the View YouTube account, which also is currently activated for us. The fifth option is the YouTube Analytics, which we already have access to it. In general, the first and third options of these 5 options are currently unavailable, and we request confirmation of access from the YouTube API. We already have access to the rest and we are using it right now. After clicking the Allow button, the user will be directed to the MasterTube dashboard. As shown in the video, the MasterTube channel is added to the user panel and its data is loaded. We use the Analytics API to load this information. By clicking on the desired channel, the user can view more information from that channel. On this page we use the Analytics API to display this information, such as Overview, Rich, Interaction or Engagement, Audience, Income or Revenue. This information can be sorted by date. We use the Channel Information API to provide channel list information, and we are considering using the Manage YouTube Video API to upload video, and to provide this service we need confirmation access from the YouTube API. Once the new access is approved by the YouTube API, the playlist option will allow the user to create a new playlist. The user will also be able to upload a new video to his channel by clicking the Add Video button. In the next step, the user selects the desired video file. In the title field, the user enters the title of his video. In the description field, the user enters the description of the desired video. From the playlist field, the user selects the desired playlist. In the tag field, the user enters the tags related to the video. From the video language section, the user determines the language of the video. From the grouping section, the user selects a category for his video according to the subject of the video being uploaded. From the status section, the user will be able to publish his video as a private or public video. Finally, To provide MasterTube upload services to users, we need access from the YouTube API. On the counter or dashboard page and in the important news section, we will use the YouTube API to display the copyright claims and copyright strike information to the user. To find out exactly which of the videos has received copyright claims and which of the videos has received copyright strike, to take action as soon as possible to resolve the copyright issue. We can also inform the user from the notification section of the MasterTube dashboard. And to receive data of strike and claim, we are awaiting confirmation of new accesses from the YouTube API so that we can inform the user of this information in the MasterTube dashboard. At the bottom of the MasterTube dashboard pages, there is the link to the MasterTube privacy policy page. YouTube Terms of Service, Google Privacy Policy, and finally, the link to the Google Security Setting page is provided to MasterTube dashboard users. We hope the information in this video is sufficient to confirm our new YouTube API access requests.